Hey Nancy, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. Thank you so much for having me here. I thought I'd film a brief video to kind of explain a little bit about how we do our services, why it's different, and as you can see, we use video to better communicate with our clients. That way there's no miscommunication. Low pressure siding cleaning on all four sides of your house includes the siding, soffit, fascia, gutters, all the window trim. Everything will be rinsed down with a special product solution that actually has an algicide in it, breaks down all the mold, mildew, algae, spider webs, bug guts, and then from there, after the product has done its work, we rinse it down with a high volume of water instead of high pressure. So way less chance for damage. I do all the work myself, so I'm a homeowner myself, and the last thing I would want, a company to be doing is just dragging their hoses and blasting away high pressure around all my expensive landscaping. So that's definitely something I want to make sure that we take care of while we're here on your property to wash your house. The product is strong enough to kill the stuff that's living on your siding, but safe enough for your plants, pets, and the environment. And another thing that's nice about our house washing solution, that is, being that it does kill that mold and algae on your siding, we can actually provide a 2-year no green algae guarantee. So if any green algae returns within 2 years, I'll come back and wash it for you at no cost. And so the process is super safe and effective because we can wash everything from the ground with no ladders, no brushing, and no high pressure. I did want to draw attention to your roof up here. It seems like it's pretty heavily shaded, pretty common for roofs about this age. It's starting to develop that moss. And I would encourage you to do one of two things. You can do a roof cleaning with like a wet and forget solution, and it's a concentrated soap. So what it'll do is actually clean your shingles over the course of a year, and that stuff with the hard rains and the hot sun will naturally wash off your shingles over time. But we do have a same-day results process. It's with bleach, sodium hypochlorite, or pool shock. They're all the same chemical. And it's the exact same way that roofing manufacturers suggest for us to wash their product. With low pressure, we apply the chemical on the shingle, let it dwell, and it kills off all that mold and algae. Your roof will look almost brand new, except for the spots where you have lichen and moss growing. That'll actually look worse right after our treatment, because it'll be dead. So it'll actually look like cottage cheese temporarily until it'll be like yellow or white, until the hot sun dries it up and the rains rinse it off within 2 to 3 months. But otherwise, any black streaking you have in your shingles will be restored, and it stops your roof being eaten alive, because a lot of people don't know, but roofing manufacturers are actually adding more and more crushed limestone into the shingles, and unfortunately this is shortening the lifespan of your roof. So be proactive about it by cleaning it. If you did want to entertain a way to extend the life of your roof by a special roof treatment, it's a conditioning oil made out of soybeans. So after we do the cleaning, what I could do is apply the conditioning oil to your shingles, do a roof tune-up on all your flashing details and soil pipes, any nail pops you have. We want to go over and do a fine comb over with the shingles. Let me bring you over here to your back breezeway here, and I'll talk a little bit about your deck. Okay, so you got a really nice property here. Looks like you have a lot of outdoor wood here. More than likely, when you installed it, it did have the chemical pressure treated type product, but it's turning black and green right now, and it's like one stage away from rotting away. So what you can do is, just like we would with your roof, apply a chemical. It eats away at that algae and mold, and then we can give it a good power wash. And then more than likely we can do a post-treatment with the chemical again and rinse that chemical off, and that'll give your wood the ability to dry out. And if your wood just sits there all wet and rotting like this, you're going to have to replace it sooner than later. So maintenance is key. Prevents it from having to do more work. You don't have too many windows on the outside of your house, so the package you see below for outdoor window cleaning essentially would be for you to choose if you want to mess around with the screens or if you want us to do that. And being that you have so little windows, I would include this here for you as well if you'd like. We clean windows a little bit differently from other companies. A lot of companies are still using squeegee and soap and squeegeeing your window down, which works, but we've taken advantage of a special soap-free window cleaning process where we use a special mineral-free purified filtration system. When we scrub your windows down with this monofilament brush, your windows actually turn sparkly clean when they dry. And after all that purified water dries off your glass, essentially it's kind of like that last bit of slow dripping water when you're at a car wash. So you're going to be in good shape with our window cleaning process. It lasts longer because you're not actually leaving any soap residue behind on the glass, if that makes sense. So my name is Eddie, Multi-Man Services. I look forward to working with you guys. Pick the packages below that you best meet your level of clean, and any questions you have, feel free to call or text me anytime, and I'll be glad to answer those as soon as I can. My cell is 815-520-6020. And at the end of this this video here, what I'll do is I'll include a 1-minute brief informational video about why roofing shingles are prematurely failing today and what you can do to prevent that. And then also I'll include just a brief customer testimonial that talks a little about our work. So have a great day, Nancy. That was actually my grandmother's name. I miss her, so we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.
There is never a good day on your roof. Temperatures can climb to over 140 degrees, causing the roof to expand. Passing rain showers quickly cool the roof, creating rapid contraction, known as thermal shock. Your asphalt roof must remain flexible to withstand these extreme stresses. Oil within the asphalt allows for this flexibility. Depending on region, a roof begins breaking down between 7 and 10 years of age because the oil begins drying out of the asphalt, causing the roof to become increasingly brittle over time. With loss of flexibility, it starts to crack and begins slowly breaking apart, the same way cracks eventually turn into a pothole in an asphalt road. RoofMax is a 100% safe, all-natural food-grade oil. The spray-applied treatment quickly penetrates roof shingles, restoring flexibility and waterproofing protection. Each treatment is guaranteed to last 5 years and comes with a transferable warranty. And because RoofMax treatments are repeatable, a roof can be greatly extended past its expected life. Treatment is quick, clean, and very affordable. Get more life for less money, guaranteed, with RoofMax, a powerful fusion of science and nature.
Well, I decided to hire Multi-Man Services because I went through the interesting rodeo of trying to find someone to clean my gutters and have people say that they would come out and give me a bid, not return my phone calls, or promise me that they were going to do the work and never show up. So what I found when I called Multi-Man Services was very rapid response, a spot-on quote, reasonable rates, and really excellent follow-through. Besides that, my house has been looking a little shabby on the outside, and now it looks brandy new. So I couldn't be happier. Very, very positive. And everything's done beautifully.